Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Amber Ashraf, intervention cardiologist, head of cardiology department, Khyber Medical College, Khyber Teaching Hospital, Peshawar. As a regional coordinator for GOREC for Women, Pakistan Cardiac Society, on this important day, I welcome you all. National Wear Red Day, every year, first Friday, we are observing to raise awareness, education, and lifestyle improvement among our women. As we know, cardiovascular disease burden is increasing day by day, and less than 50% of the women know it is the first killer among women. It's important we give this awareness because according to the data, 4 lakh deaths occur per year due to cardiovascular diseases among women as compared to 40,000 deaths due to CA breast. We all know about our traditional risk factors. You all know it. These are diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, sedentary lifestyle, and smoking. What is important? We all must identify our hidden enemies, go have a proper checkup, and proper management. What most of us don't know, these are gender-specific risk factors. And what they are? You know, these are premature menopause, early menarche, autoimmune diseases, and adverse pregnancy outcome in the form of peripartum cardiomyopathy and hypertension, diabetes. Kindly identify them, treat them, and manage them. Other risk factors are under-recognized risk factors, important for women and men, and these are psychological factors leading to MI. According to Interheart study, 32.5% MIs occur due to this. Mental stress, environmental pollution, poor health literacy, and then socio-economic deprivation among women. Most of the women present with the symptom that is not a typical chest pain. This is fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath. Please identify them in time, refer to the hospital so a woman may have a proper management. Why? Out of cardiovascular death mortalities, 47% of the deaths occur due to ischemic heart disease and 35% have underlying stroke. We must have to identify them, treat them. It's very important. And lastly, a woman who have one risk factor, it multiply its risk by 2 times. 2 risk factor, 4 times. 3 or more risk factors, 10 times risk of cardiovascular disease, mortality, morbidity. The crop registry in Pakistan highlighted the young women's under the age of 35, 24% have underlying coronary artery disease. And under 45 years, 35% have a coronary artery disease. It's alarming. So it's important we raise this awareness among all the young females as well as the rest of the population. In the end, we want to say it's the first Ramazan, and first Ramazan we observe as Quit Tobacco Day. So please, all the young women as well as the men who are taking some tobacco in any form, please quit it, because in women there is a 6 times more increase of MI as compared to men, where there is 3 times those who smoke. Dear all, in the end, try to follow the footstep of Hazur Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. If we are not going to do something good for someone, please don't think bad of it. Forgive, love yourself, your near and dear, be empathetic as a doctors, as well as try to spread the smile and love. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you.